out in the median. We're just past milepost
82. I'll get as close as I can. That's like...
My lights are also activated. Can you copy the light? Charles Autumn Henry 2841.
County 30 from McPhee and Weber Canyon. This is Angelia. This is South Restricted.
Just approved.
That's pretty good.
Take back 7-4 call. 14 to 69 or 30, keep that spike to Benton City.
Copy. I'll transfer that between here and Benton City.
County 3 dispatch, suspend my current, put me on 7-4 is a call from Hawaii and District Line.
Traffic ahead of us is light. Everybody's slowing down behind me. We're approaching the Benton City exit. Speeds are 16. Vehicles still using both lanes of travel. Speeds are still 60. Crossing Benton City.
What's 15 dispatch, vehicle go? Team crosser, can you prepare spikes out there?
King 630, thank you.
Speeds are still 60. Traffic is still light ahead of us. He keeps crossing over the yellow line towards the center median.
14, copy.
Alright, 82. I'll get as close as I can. That's like...
Good spikes, milepost 93.
Spike deployed.
Select the female did one.
County 12, let me get it on I-82.
Vehicle just crashed out in the median. We're just past milepost 93.
84, start for the call.
I'm in route.
He's still trying to rev the engine. I exited my car. DUI. Most definitely. Pin it. You can. We need another unit to help him. It came out as a reckless 3 different times. So I sat on 82 and it passed me. And it's driving both lanes. All the cars behind us had slowed down. So I got behind the passing Iona Village and he just continued the whole time like this. Yeah.
Let's get him out.
I thought Sergeant Gary and Sergeant Jack, the vehicle is on fire. We're going to try to attempt to pull it out.
Hey, cover me. I'm going to go to that side and let him out.
He's very drunk. Hands! 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 Manos arriba! Manos arriba! Manos arriba! Copy.
Take your seatbelt off. Take your seatbelt off. Get out. Get out. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Let's get him up and over. 7-4 dispatch. We got to pull out of the car, detain him now. We need fire for the vehicle.
Come on, back here.
Hey, Jack, can you move that car back there?
Eastbound 82 can stay open.
Let's make sure there's nobody else in the car, Brad.
30's checking the vehicle for other occupants.
Vehicles fully engulfed, no occupants.
I don't see anyone, do you? Is there anybody else in the car? Yeah. Is there anybody else? I couldn't see anybody.
All right, what do you want to do with him?
That's a great question.
I don't know.
We've got a trooper here.
Yeah.
So what do you got? You got a DUI
Yeah.
and a pursuit?
Yep.
So, hey, can you block this other lane for us? This one right here.
Yeah, me too.
No, I can. No, I can. He's not gonna understand me, but you're under arrest.
That's fine. Yeah.
Too many.
See if it's there.
Thanks, sir.
Welcome, ma'am. How else can I help you?
It's a great question right now. I don't know.
With the spikes were good?
Those were good.
Excellent.
The suspect was charged with eluding police and DUI. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
From a distance, I can see the minivan just using both lanes of travel. All the vehicles are behind him are like slowed. It's just him back and forth across both lanes. So I'm like, okay, get behind him, turn on my lights, nothing. He was down on a rim the whole time. He's flapping debris at me from the tire. Good spikes back at that milepost. We get up here, he goes in there.
We have fire interrupt?
Yeah. Yeah. He's just looking at me. Doesn't realize the car's on fire. Jet goes around. We open the door. He's still just sitting there.
You got something medically wrong with that?
Stumbling really bad.
Medic's been called?
Fire was just dispatched.
Okay.
He was already on the lease.
They're probably a little tight.
Attempting contact with it.
Down 52 dispatch, fire's on scene.
Senor, turn around. Turn around.
Over here.
Ok, lo que va a hacer, mire su pluma con sus ojos, no mueva su cabeza, ¿entendido? Yeah, no.
¿Con alcohol y perico?
You're under arrest for DUI,
Está
okay?
bajo arresto por manejar bajo la influencia del alcohol.
That's what I heard. He was already on the road.
Get back to my car, okay?
Sorry, boss.
Yep. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Hey, my man. Yeah.
Whatever works.
You able to get in? Your leg? Leg? Jeez Louise.